If you're an espresso enthusiast, you know maintaining the ideal temperature of your espresso can enhance its flavor. Here are some tips to help you keep your brew at the perfect temperature. To help maintain consistent heat, start by preheating your portafilter. Place the empty portafilter under the group head, select the espresso recipe, and press OK to run hot water through it. This warms up the metal, which helps prevent your espresso from cooling too quickly as it brews. Next, preheat your cup by filling it with hot water for about a minute. A cold cup can quickly cool your drink, affecting its warmth and overall experience. Taking the time to preheat keeps your espresso at an enjoyable temperature for longer. Finally, adjust the machine's temperatures based on your preferences. Whether you prefer a slightly hotter or cooler extraction, the Longhi Specialista Arte Evo gives you options to match your taste.